Hey Pisces star seeds, it's Sweet Spirit Mystic. Okay, let's see what energy is coming through. All right. Use these two decks. Clear your energy, clear your space, clean up, tidy. Get rid of old things. Old energy. Oh wow, clean it up right here. Okay. Number 21. What's the date today? Okay. New life, number 39. Regeneration. Sometimes you have to burn it all down. Okay? And then it grows, right? And then to the sea. This reminds me of the Six of Swords, which is the card where they're being led across the sea into calmer waters. Yin is here. So doing all that will create this calmness. You may be traveling too. Okay. Wow, there's a lot coming out. Okay, we're going to just take these. Interconnection, autumn, okay, gratitude, and self-knowledge. So autumn is now, if you're in the northern hemisphere, the 21st again. So I think around December 21st, it's actual winter. So you've got a good month. Let's see. Yeah, a good month. A little more to do all this. Cleaning. You're cleaning out your life. This has been coming out too. Sacred sexuality, number 3. Reconnect with the source of your divine sexuality. Gratitude. Giving thanks. Self-knowledge. Knowing about yourself. Being really rooted. What is for you? I'm seeing on this card Vision Quest. It's where you take time alone. Get to know you. All right. So, divine feminine energy. And it's important to integrate both. The divine feminine and the divine masculine in both. Or no, in us, both. Because we need to be able to call on that energy at different times. Okay, men need to know, masculine need to know when to be tender. Feminine energy needs to know, okay, sometimes you got to go for it. All right, I you know, if you know anything about childbirth, you can't just hang out. Like, you got to go for it, right? So it's having both and drawing on it at whatever time that it's needed. Okay, so it's not masculine versus feminine in any way. It's like, okay, sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. So it's changing that perspective. Okay. And now is the time, it's showing yin here to be gentle. Okay, even as females in the world, 444, we're seeing a lot of aggression. That's masculine energy. That's not feminine. Feminine is like, oh, hey, how are you? Let me nurture you, okay? Let me take care of this baby. You're not going to be aggressive with a baby. All right, so we have to think about shifting our mindset on things. Just because you have female body parts does not make you feminine. Okay, where can you be more nurturing, more gentle? That is the feminine principle. Believe in yourself, squirrel spirit. Lion spirit, be generous of spirit. Moth spirit, surrender now. Wasp spirit, sometimes life stings. Okay. So lion spirit, that lion heart, that bravery. Okay. Moth, surrendering. You know, moths, butterflies, things like that are very gentle. Squirrel spirit, you think about squirrels, they store up energy. They get those, what are those, acorns, and they set them aside for when there might not be enough. Sometimes life stings. We don't always get what we want, but there's a reason for that. So, number 33, horse spirit, freedom is yours. It's your choice. How are you going to view things? All right, let's see some tarot here. Yeah, the Sun and the Page of Wands. So it's learning. Now the Five of Cups is disappointment. Through any disappointment that you may feel, what are you learning? What are you learning to free yourself from? How are you acting? Pages, messengers, wands are about action. What comes out of your mouth? Is it hostility? Because that's a masculine principle. Yeah, think about that. All right, the Sun. You know, it's that enlightenment. Okay, the Sun makes things grow. Right? What are you cultivating? What are you growing? You know, no matter what happens in the world, I can say please and thank you. I can hold a door open for someone. I can stand up for myself in a respectful way. No matter what's going on in the world, that's my choice. Okay? Knight of Wands, yeah, in the way we act, pay attention to how we're acting. Where do things need to shift? Seven of Cups. There's a lot of confusion out there. Page of Pentacles. You know, there is this relearning that's happening. Look at nature. What do animals in nature do? Ooh, Ten of Swords. There is something that needs to end. Okay, females. I can't find a masculine man. Well, how could you if you're being the masculine? You know, if men need to retreat to the sidelines, why is that? Are we allowing? Or are we just running roughshod? Okay, don't shoot the messenger, I know, but just think about it. Okay? Yeah, Seven of Wands. There is a block here towards, you know, stability, happiness. This is 11-11, the Four of Wands, balance. Things are out of balance right now. And you have to to recognize it in order to, Hanged Man, shift it. Shift the perspective in order to change it. Okay. That's the Empress here. The Empress receives. Okay. All right, Pisces. Yep, karma. Things need to balance out. Yep, I'm saying it. So, get back into this true femininity, this emotionality, this, okay, how do I feel? All right? Okay, Pisces, I love you. I'll see you soon.